Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Sorry, do you have change for a $5 note? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Excuse me? Hello?
Hang on a minute, just wait. Yeah.
Hi, do you have change for a $5 bill? I just need some change.
I've got a little bit of change. How much change do you need?
A $5 bill?
Oh, hang on a minute. Can I ring you back, hon? Alright, just wait a minute. I'll ring you back. Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, I just need it for my friend's parking ticket.
Oh,
Yeah, just around the corner.
that's not a $5 bill. That's 50.
Oh,
You've
it's
given me
my
50.
50.
That's your
Sorry,
$5.
this is the 5? Thanks,
Yeah.
thanks, awesome.
I don't think I've got $5 in change though. Can I just...
Yeah,
you just
yeah.
hold that.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yep. Yeah, here you go, mate.
Excuse me, do you have change for a $5 bill? I just need some change for my friend's
I think I have. Hold on.
parking ticket. Here you go.
Yeah.
That's the 5? Yeah,
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Sweet.
I really,
Alright.
yeah. I'll just count it. Yeah, here you go.
That's actually a $50 note.
This is the 5?
This is the 5, yeah. So I can
Thank
take
you,
the
thank
5.
you. Thank you.
And
Thank you so much.
this should actually be $5.
Is that $5?
Yes, it is. It's
Okay.
$2 and then 5 20
Okay,
coins.
thank you so much.
No
Thank
worries.
you.
Nice.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hi, sorry.
Excuse me, do you have change for a $5 bill? Let me
No,
just give
sweetie,
you
sorry. I'm all out.
a $5 bill.
No.
You got-
$5?
Yeah. You got change?
It's got
Yeah, I
change
got
for you.
$5 here, mate.
Thanks. That's the $5 because I got
Yeah,
55.
Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah.
Okay.
There you go, mate.
Okay.
good.
Thank you.
Not a
Thank
worry.
you so
Have a
much.
good day,
Have a
yeah?
good day. Thank you.
How much did you want change for?
Just a $5 bill.
Sorry, I don't have any.
Oh, okay. That's okay.
That's a $50 note, by the way.
Oh, is this the 5?
Yeah, that's the 5 and that one's a 50.
Okay. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you find someone.
Thanks. See ya.
No, I don't have the right change, mate, but like, you got to get it right. That's your 50.
This
And
is the 5?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hate to tell you, but that's a $50 note, mate.
Is this the 5?
That's the 5.
Thank you. Thank you so
And
much.
I don't have any change. Sorry, mate.
That's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Anyway.
Hey, do you have change for a $5 note?
Yeah, I'll have a look for you.
All right. That was my 5, yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
No, I don't. Sorry, man. There you go. Sorry.
Oh,
Thought I
okay.
did.
No, that's all right.
Good luck, though.
Yeah, thanks.
Thanks, mate.
Hey, buddy. I'm not actually blind, man. I want my 50 back, so what are you doing? Be honest next time, man. What are you doing? I'm not even blind, man.
So I didn't even... Oh, far out. I did not even realise. Sorry.
All right, man, just be honest. Be more honest next time. Look, there's a camera right there.
Oh, far out, man. Sorry, I just feel like an arsehole. Sorry, man.
It's good. Just be honest next time, all right?